Have you seen Italia 오징어 순대집 in JTBC? I was so surprised that many foreigners are so into this spicy stir-fried chicken. And this food originates from Gangwon province, which is north part of South Korea. When people are not rich enough to eat a beef, they chose to cook a chicken instead. But you'll find out it is actually better than beef. So if you're ready, let's get started. Grind 220 grams of onion in a food processor. To make it work better, I'll put 3 spoons of cooking wine. Then put 380 grams of apple in a food processor and grind them. Lastly, put 380 grams of Asian pear in a food processor and grind them all together. If you don't have an Asian pear, you can just substitute them with an apple or orange. When they are done, put them in a bowl. Put 3 tablespoons of sugar. Put 3 tablespoons of starch syrup. Put half cup of soy sauce. Put 1 spoon of anchovy sauce. Put 3 cups of chili powder. Keep them in the fridge overnight. Slice 350 grams of chicken into a bite. I use leg part of chicken at this time because it is rich in fat. However, if you prefer chicken breast, you can use them instead. Put 2 teaspoons of turmeric in the chicken. Turmeric is one of the main ingredients that is used to make curry. If you massage them with a chicken, it'll remove the smell of fat. Then, put 4 tablespoons of chili seasoning that we have made before. Mix them using hands. Sit them for 30 minutes while I slice the vegetable. Slice 220 grams of onion into a bite. Slice 65 grams of spring onion. Slice 230 grams of sweet potato. Slice 125 grams of cabbage. Slice 160 grams of carrot using a mandolin. Cut them again into a bite. Pour 2 cups of water into 160 grams of rice cake to make it softer. Then let's arrange the vegetable in a pan. When you make a spicy stir-fried chicken, make sure to use a white pan or pot, because huge amount of vegetable will be inside. If you are to make a small portion of food, then decrease the amount of vegetable and meat. My recipe is for 4 persons, so you can divide them into a quarter if you wish to make a food for 1 person. Then put them into medium heat and put 50 milliliters of water instead of oil. Put a seasoned chicken in the middle. Put 4 spoons of seasoning and mix them with a vegetable. When they are mixed enough, put extra 3 spoons of chili seasoning. Mix them using a wooden spoon. When you feel like vegetables are stick to the bottom, pour 20 milliliters of water and scratch them with a wooden spoon. Stir them about 25 to 30 minutes. Put 1 spoon of sesame oil and mix them all together. When you're not sure it is done, poke the sweet potato. If sweet potato is done, everything is done. When you're done, place them on a dish and sprinkle a sesame on it. So, did you enjoy today's video? Then don't forget to subscribe my channel and leave a comment below. See you in the next video.